why sociology and for whom. If I repeat myself, it is not only for those who are preparing for UPSC or for SPSC or for any other competitive examination. It is also going to give you an outlook and critical understanding to understand society better, specifically in the Indian context. Wheresoever we are living, we must have better and comprehension about that social settings. That is really very important, not only for society but for individual level, as well. Okay, because when we discuss social issues, when we discuss social problems, when we discuss that how society performs, what type of social interaction is happening between different institutions, when we try to understand that our surroundings not only in a physical way but also in a social ways, it's actually help us to inculcate a peaceful and a stable personality. It gives a critical understanding to know yourself better, and that you can that this knowledge of sociology, which we are going to discuss in coming lectures, it will show you that how it can help you to take your decisions in a better manner. What is our life? What is our day-to-day life? If I just talk about regular, mundane activities in which we did, it is a set of decisions which we take. If we take a decision that yes, I have to rise up early in the morning because I need to go to an office or I need to go to my work or college, and if you decide that you need to wake up at least 2 hours before, you will have ample of time. Similarly, if you decide that you are going to just wake up half an hour before, then you would be in rush and there will be a chaos in your mind. It is just about the decision which you take. If you decide that you want to do something better for yourself or for society, you will start thinking about that. This perspective comes when we discuss philosophies, when we discuss various theories, when we try to understand that how do we think. And basically, this is a subject matter of sociology. So it would be not exaggerated to say that the knowledge of society, which sociology as a discipline offers to us, it's going to help to everyone because it is related with everyone's lives.